Okay.
Okay, hola chicos. We're actually here, we're not here for the t-shirt moon.
Yeah.
We're here for the Success of the Month Award.
For Success of the Month Award.
Yeah.
Great.
So we're going to give the Success of the Month Award to Emin. Okay, so you didn't know this. So the reason...
No, I really didn't know. You said I would get a t-shirt?
I give more than a t-shirt.
Nice.
Okay, so Emin, he just done a 14-kilometer run for first time ever.
Yes.
First time following the killer training program that we gave him.
Yes.
Then he upped his training with us. He won our 5-kilometer race. So he did amazing there. This week alone, he's lost 1.7 kilos. And look at him now, shows those muscles. So he's looking trim. Also, he won a free t-shirt for doing the check-in on Facebook. Free massage. So Emil has cleaned up this month.
Yeah.
He's done amazing. So there's a t-shirt for
Thank
Success
you
of the Month. You
Yeah.
win dinner for 2, paid for by me. You can take me if you want.
Yeah.
Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Proud of
Thank you.
Proud of you.
All you and your team. Thank you.
No worries, done well.